I enjoy working with my friends and working as a team and being creative and finding out new things about the culinary world. They're all friendly and helpful, really enjoyable to be around. All have really good experience in the industry, so like owning restaurants and high-end restaurants and things like that. So they're all perfect for the course. I've gained working as a team, working independently as well, and time management, working safely and cleanly as well. I've been able to go to Italy for a competition where I competed in a competition and then got a free day in Venice as well, which was all paid for by the company, and it was quite a great experience. They're perfect for the industry, so industry standard and clean, safe, just all you can ask for really. It was a bit difficult at first, but then the staff were really helpful. I'm happy to just guide the way really. Yeah, especially if it offers courses that other colleges don't. So it's a perfect place for anyone who wants to be something a bit unique compared to other things.